Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we're gonna do a brief unboxing and accessories haul from Samsung on what? Bam. Yeah, just go ahead, just look at it real quick. Yeah, there we go. On that Galaxy S22 Ultra. Yeah. Hiding it straight from Samsung. So we're gonna go ahead and get this on. Doing what they want to do. Alright, and there we go. Black on black. Feels good in the hand. Has some heft to it. 5,000 milliamp battery. This model right here, this is a half terabyte model right here with 12 gigs of RAM. So, you know, pretty good right there. Got the 108 megapixel camera on the back, 10 megapixel telephoto lens, teleoptical, and with the 40 front facing camera, 40 megapixel. So yeah, got your 8 pixels there. So let's do a brief comparison. Bring it to the frame here. Have my Note 9 right here, blue joint. So let's go ahead and put those together. Do a brief. Yeah. About the same. A little bit taller. Alright. So let's put it on the stand. Let's stand it on up. Oh, well, let's turn it on. Turn it on. There we go. Alright. Alright, so this is unboxing with accessories. So that phone does look kind of bare. So let's go ahead and get some accessories in. Bam. Spigen. Case for it right here. That will be a Galaxy S22 Ultra Slim Armor CS. Man, let's check this case out. Okay. Good heft to it. Cutouts for the cameras, sensors. Now these you can normally fit like 3 cards in here, so yeah, fit about 3 cards in there. Feels good. Has a grip on the back, pretty good. For comparison wise, I do have my case, my other Spigen case from my Note 9 right here. So yeah, blue. Fits pretty good. Let's go ahead and fit it in right quick. So yeah, just, you know, feels good in the hand. Alright, so let's go ahead and fit the Ultra in here. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah. Feels real good in the hand. Real good. I like that grip, that texture right there. Feels really nice. Weighted. Pretty good. pretty good. All right. Okay, more accessories. Since Samsung doesn't have power bricks included with their phones anymore, so you're gonna have to go search for that yourself. This is the 45-watt power adapter. Yeah. There we go. Super fast charging. 45 watt. Kind of long cord here. Okay. Cool. A5 cord. So they specifically put this as a 5A cord. So 5A apparently is how you're going to get your 45 watt charging right here. Yeah, 45 watt charging requires a 5A cable. 5A specific cable. So make sure to keep that on tuck right there for your 45 watt charging. Alright, what else we have next? Alright, super fast wireless charging duo. Okay. Alright, it's all great. Also has USB cord. Alright, put that to the side. Okay. More USB cord. Alright. Nice wireless charging stand for your phone and buds and watching buds. So yeah, don't have this plugged up right now, but I guess we can since we have cords, let's go ahead and give this a try. Well, we can hold off on that. More accessories, more accessories. Alright. Got us an LK screen protector here. Alright, for Samsung Ultra 22. Let's see what we got in here. Did not open this, so bam. Okay, so this one I was intrigued by this screen protector because it has these on it, these camera lens protectors right here. So these, you can go ahead and take these off and then you will put them on right here and it will protect your camera lenses. So very good. Probably show that in another video. We'll probably go over that, see how that looks. Alright, and all of these will be linked in the description, all of these items. Alright, what are we unboxing next? Okay. Galaxy Buds. Buds came with them. Bam. Alright. See? Okay. Nice. Nice quality buds right here. I'll have to check all of this out. Okay. Alright. Last but not least, bam. We got the Spigen Rugged Armor case for the buds. Let's check this out. Okay. Comes in two pieces, the top and the bottom. Have to apply them to the case. Alright, so let's grab our buds case real quick. Alright. I think it slips on. Okay. Easy peasy. Bam. And there you are, you in there. Right there. Slips right on. Nice case. And check out the exterior of it. Look at that. How the rugged armor matches cleanly flush with the CS armor on the Spigen case, the black on black. So that looks pretty nice right there. So let's put everything back. So yeah, there you have it. And that is a brief unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra with accessory haul from Samsung. So go ahead, check it out. Like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.